And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Welcome back. Cloudy skies, but we are calm here on the north end of Colorado Springs right now. 64 is the current temperature. Out at the airport, there's a south wind sustained at 24 miles per hour. It has been windy most of the day in Pueblo. Got a mix of clouds and sunshine. 68 degrees. The wind out of the southwest sustained at 22. Gusts even higher than that. There's that high wind warning. Actually, the worst is yet to come because that warning doesn't kick in until 9 o'clock tonight. Continues through 6 tomorrow morning. El Paso County, Pueblo County, the rest of southeastern Colorado. I think the strongest wind, rural eastern El Paso County and eastern Pueblo County. You folks are on places like Calhoun, Peyton, Yoder, Rush, Ellicott. You could see gusts in excess of 65 miles per hour. Blowing dust is going to be a problem during that time frame all across the viewing area. Here's what's going to happen. Again, gusts in the 30s and 40s to launch this thing, but we could see gusts from 50 to 55 and even 60 and 65 miles per hour at times. That wind stays with us at times overnight tonight. We'll get a break tomorrow morning. I think around sunrise we'll have mainly calm conditions here, but screaming out to the east of us, and that wind re-intensifies tomorrow afternoon from late morning through the afternoon hours. Right now, getting a little bit of moisture across northern Colorado. It's going to eventually sag to the south and finally bring us some of that much needed precip here across the viewing area. 7 o'clock tonight, we'll have some rain across far northern El Paso County. Going to see snow up in Teller County. Watch this stuff change to snow as that colder air mixes in. And again, it's going to be a good burst of snow. Thunder snow, certainly not out of the question along the Palmer Divide. A good convective element to this stuff. Not going to see much in Pueblo, and here's the reason why. That north wind coming off the Palmer Divide really causes that donut hole across downtown Colorado Springs to downtown Pueblo, and then it picks up as you move south of Pueblo. Everything wraps up overnight tonight, and we'll start with sunshine tomorrow morning, but it's certainly going to be chilly. You'll certainly want to dress warmly early tomorrow morning, ending up in the 50s and 60s by afternoon with lots of blue sky and sunshine. Not a huge fall of snow, but anything certainly good news considering how dry it's been. I think far northern El Paso County, close to the Palmer Divide, 1 to 3 inches will fall, a trace to 2 across portions of Teller County, Cripple Creek, and Woodland Park. And on the far north end of Colorado Springs, 0 to an inch of snow certainly possible. Again, the further south you go in Colorado Springs, the less snow you're going to see, and most of it accumulating on elevated and grassy surfaces. More wind in your forecast tomorrow. Here's the reason why. Circulation around that low is going to bring in some strong north wind during the day tomorrow. Not out of the question. See gusts up to 50 and 55 miles per hour, and it's going to be cooler as a result of that front pushing through. Outside right now, temperatures all over the place in typical eastern Colorado fashion. We've got 50s across the higher elevations, 60s and 70s across the rest of the News 5 viewing area. Here's how cold we get tonight, staying above freezing barely across Colorado Springs and Pueblo around here tomorrow. If you're sensitive to the chill, you're going to want to dress warmly tomorrow, especially across the Pikes Peak region. Those temperatures don't look too bad, but you factor in that strong wind, gusts from 50 to 55 miles per hour. Going to feel a lot colder than that. Breezy Thursday and Friday. Here comes more wind on Saturday. Halloween Sunday. There's a chill in the forecast right there. It's going to be windy and noticeably colder. And then I'm tracking the possibility of a bigger, stronger storm coming in by Monday and Tuesday. Rain changing to snow late, and then just a possibility of snow and colder air by next Tuesday. For Pueblo, afternoon highs all over the place. You get 50s, 60s, 70s over the next 6 days, and by this time next week, a high of only 40 degrees. I think you'll have to wait until Monday to get some pretty good moisture. That will change to snow by Tuesday, and just a downright cold day for you by next Tuesday. Canyon City, you get a lot of variety as well. Temperatures all over the place over the next 7 days, and that's real common as we transition from October into November. Finally, some moisture early next week, and in Woodland Park, again, a trace to maybe 2 inches of snow across some sections of Teller County late tonight, by late tonight anyway. Dry skies Thursday, Friday, Saturday into Halloween Sunday, and then finally going to get some snow up there by Monday into Tuesday. Allison?
Mike.